Hey, what's up, Bob here. For those of you who follow my channel over the years, you know I've been working on my late nephew's 1999 Sportster. If you don't know the story behind it, check up here or over here somewhere. Click on that after this video. You can kind of see the story behind it. But had one or two things just to show you. I got it all finished up, all running over the last 2 years. I mean, she's a beautiful bike. The last thing I've done to it was put this mirror on. The other one was all bent and broken and everything, and that was actually an OEM mirror, brand new Harley stock that I was able to find. So pretty excited about that. But the thing I really want to show you is to commemorate, again, this bike to my late nephews. Again, Ryan passed away in 2001, and he had only had a chance to ride the bike a month or two before he passed from leukemia. And so my son and I restored the bike, and this was our final thing that we wanted to do for it. Soaring with the Eagles for Ryan Walker. He loved riding, he loved life, and I thought this was a very appropriate and fitting way to commemorate and remember Ryan. So anyway, I was able to hold back the tears while I did all that. Hope you enjoyed it and looking at the bike. And again, check out those videos if you want to see the whole process from the time I picked it up, where it was partially tore down, sitting in his sister's garage since 2002 or 2003 to the time that Chopper Fett and myself restored it. So, in the meantime, this has been What's Up Bob saying, we'll be seeing you.